Hey everyone, in this video we are going to talk about development. So, sperm is going to meet with the secondary oocyte, or the egg, and unite in the process of what's called fertilization. So when the sperm meets the egg, this is going to create the zygote. So the zygote is the first cell. So here's the sperm, let's say this is the egg, and its chromosome, and then when they come together, they are going to create the first cell that is going to have both the father and the mother's DNA, and a total of 46 chromosomes. So this is the zygote. This is the first cell of the new person, of the new future human. So with that said, fertilization occurs, and then for about 38 weeks, the zygote is going to divide through the process of mitosis. It's going to grow, it's going to develop, and it's going to differentiate its cells into distinctive tissues that are eventually going to become this new person's organs. And once that little person's ready to go, they will be born. After they're born, they still, as we all know, I know I'm saying stuff that everyone already knows, but just using specific terms and clarifying here, that human is going to continue to grow, develop, and age. So, with that said, let's focus on a few terms. Growth. This is going to be when we increase in size, which I think everyone can figure that part out, but it's also specifically because we have an increase in the number of cells in the body, right? So the more mitosis, the more growth. So remember the difference between mitosis, which is the body cells, and meiosis, which is in the sex cells. So somatic cells, sex cells. And then we have development. So development is going to include growth and aging. It is a continuous process by which the individual is going to continue to change throughout their lifetime. A couple additional terms. We have the prenatal period, which is the development that happens from fertilization until birth. And then the postnatal period, which is what happens from birth until death. So now that we discussed development and growth, we can move into the more specifics of what happens throughout the development process. If you have any questions, let me know.